Hello, everybody. Welcome to another Friday for me creative. My name is me. I'm in this show. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a yellow keep out sign. It's very basic, so that's great. Don't have to do much. Um, yeah, I'm starting off with 1920 uh, and 1080 as a resolution. So create document. Okay, then we go here, open with. Okay, now I want to make sure it's the right size, which it's not, but we can do something about that. You a little bit more there. So doesn't matter if it falls out of the frame a little bit. Okay, what I'm now going to do is, where's the paint bucket tool? I've been looking for that for ages. Give me a second. Hello, I don't want this. Okay, good. Fill, flood fill tool. I think that's the one. Okay, here we go. Yellow is what I want. Now, because we are on a new layer, by clicking this, we can do this. What we're gonna do now is make it more transparent. So we're going to presets, see what comes out best. I like this one, screen. I like overlay more. Okay, where's that pen? It's been a while since I exactly done this. Forgive me, please. Pen tool. Ah, there you are. Okay, new episode. New layer here. And we're going to make some of this. Let's see if I can make it straight. Okay. I had I need something. Yeah. Okay. Now I know. Okay. We're just gonna do some of those. Takes me back to my childhood. Don't come in my room. Okay, now we have those. I'm gonna group them with Control G. We're then gonna duplicate it. Okay, and personally, I find these little too clear. So what I'm gonna do is look for and if that doesn't work, I can make them more transparent. I need to make more transparent. Okay, then we're going to visual effects. No, we're not. Sorry. The occupancy, I'm going to do that down a little bit more to 81%. For the other group, I do the same. Okay, that way you have it's more transparent. Okay, now I can't use these fonts from that website, but you can find on Da Font, if you type that in Google, you can find great fonts for this. I'm not allowed to use them because yeah, I don't make any money, so I am not allowed to use them. But keep in mind, if you do this on YouTube for professionally and earn money with it, you can't use those. It's not fun, but let's try that one. Okay, 12 points is absolutely too. I think 48 is enough. Let's see if we can center you. I can't see how. Now then I just have to do it on so. Okay. For the same thing, I'm going to 81%, maybe less. No, 81. So it's a little bit faded. Yeah, there you have your sign. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was very simple. And to be honest, I'm redoing all my old tutorials with voice because I used to do it with music. These ones are pretty simple, but over time I'm going to show you the more difficult ones. I have one that, yeah, that's complicated. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. This was me from mecreative.nl. Please like, subscribe, show. uh, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, that's much appreciated. Sorry for the stutter. See you in the next one, next Friday. Thank you for watching and hope you had fun. Bye.